Thank you for joining me as I recap my trip to Reno from July of 2022 from Dallas. There's almost a full house at Love Field today, including Louisiana 1 on the hard stand. Quick departure and a great view of Bachman Lake in northwest Dallas before we head west towards Las Vegas. This is actually the window of the row in front of me. I was third to last to board, and I was lucky to even get a window. We pick up my journey on approach to Las Vegas. Unusually, we're headed for runway 19 left. Every other time I've arrived in Las Vegas, it's been on 26 left. While this may look like Las Vegas, it's actually the unincorporated communities of Winchester and Paradise. Here we are passing over the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, and one of the arenas for the NBA's Summer League. Crossing over Tropicana Avenue on short final to runway 19 left. The Las Vegas Airport Tower comes into view, as do Concourse A and B of Terminal, currently occupied by Allegiant, Spirit, and Southwest. This used to be the home of America West back in the day. And here we get a magnificent view of the Las Vegas Strip, America's thumb in the eye to Mother Nature. Heading to the gate, I'm lucky I have plenty of time to make my connection to Reno. Here's a picture of my connecting aircraft to Reno, and here I am on it. We're departing runway 26 right at Southwest 600. The connection to this flight was easy. However, Concourse C at Las Vegas leaves a lot to be desired. There were very few places to sit and chill, and the food offerings were underwhelming. On departure from Vegas, we get a great view of Interstate 215 and the suburb of Henderson, Nevada. Here, Interstate 215 connects with Interstate 15. It can take you to Salt Lake City or Los Angeles. After about an hour of flight time, we pick up our flight on short approach to runway 35 left at Reno-Tahoe International Airport. Here are the southern suburbs of Reno, crossing Interstate 580, spur route from Interstate 80, serves Reno. Viewing over the wing to the city of Reno. Quick, short final to 35 left. Touchdown! And we've got a view of the Nevada Air National Guard, American A319 coming up. That's probably headed to Phoenix. Got the concourse for Southwest and Delta Reno, and an empty concourse for American and United.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Reno, local time 4:32. We'll be taxiing for just a few more moments for your safety, the safety of those around you. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and carrying out stowed, so the captain parks the aircraft at the gate, but most importantly turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, it's safe to get up and collect your personal belongings that you brought on board. Be careful when opening up overhead compartments.
I wonder how difficult it is to get up to that hill to the left of the winglet. I bet that's a wonderful spotting location.
Do apologize for not providing an in-flight service. If you're traveling on, have pleasant and safe travels. If you're visiting the area, enjoy your stay. This is home for you. Welcome home.
I plan on enjoying my stay, and I'm going to start off with an evening on the Truckee River. There was a little concert going on, and I thought, why not walk down there? I was surprised at how pleasant the river was. In Dallas, our river's a ditch, and nobody hangs out there. When those people leave down there, I'm going to go check out their spot. It looks nice. That water is just so calming. And what do you know? It is a good spot. How pleasant. After a wonderful weekend, I'm walking around Reno's Virginia Lake waiting to head to the airport for my flight back. Here's a picture of the 737-800 that's going to start my journey home. We've been cleared to enter runway 17 right for takeoff. Goodbye, Reno. It's been a wonderful time. Another great terminal view. Got to see Alaska and American and the Southwest that were next to me when we were departing. Another view of the Nevada Air National Guard. And with that, Southwest 1222 is airborne to Phoenix. I just love this view of Reno on departure. Such an underrated city. Full disclosure, I love the Mountain West. One last view of the Reno suburbs. And welcome to Arizona. Here we are on final into runway 26 at Phoenix. Crossing over the Red Mountain Freeway. That's a smooth touchdown. We roll out next to the Honeywell facility with all their neat aircraft. Here's a view of the north side of Terminal 3, housing every airline but American, Southwest, British Airways, and Polaris.
Be careful when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. If you're making connections here, simply deplaying, check the TV monitors in the terminal for your flight gate number. It certainly has
That
been our
cough you
pleasure
heard
to
earlier
serve
may or
you
may not have been
when you
me.
fly. We'd like to thank you so much
I
for
was
choosing
ready
us
to
here
just
at
get off this
Airlines.
airplane and get onto my next flight to Dallas.
Next time business or pleasure takes you to the skies,
I'll leave you with some pictures of that aircraft. It was Florida One. I was super excited, yet a little too ill to really enjoy the experience. I took some pictures though. Thank you for joining me on this recap. Y'all have a wonderful day.
If you are responsible for any little ones or old ones, please make sure that you steer clear of those open doorways. Once again, thank you so much for flying with us and welcome to Phoenix.